guys, today I'm going to show you this small and beautiful KiCA fan. It says portable fan, but it's not just a normal fan or duster. It's one of these new kind of turbo jet blower duster. And so here in this video I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, how to charge, how to use, and then of course how fast or how strong this really is. And for that, as always, I'm going to use this small anemometer, which I've been using already a lot to test some other small duster blowers. And so here is what we get, really nice packaged. So that could be definitely a really nice gift as well. So we are taking this out here. I can tell you this thing is super small, probably the smallest duster blower fan whatsoever I've ever seen, except from super flimsy ones which really didn't do much. And we have some nice protection here in the back for the intake, and in the front it's fully open, makes totally sense. What do we get as accessories? Yeah, we get a charging cable, standard USB-A to modern USB-C. Comes also with some instructions. As very impressive specs, we have only 137 grams weight, but we still have a large 3000 milliamps recharging battery, and we have a maximum runtime of up to 13 hours, of course on the lowest setting. And to charge, you can use any kind of standard USB-A power bank, even your phone if it's capable to charge, your computer, wall charger, and then we plug it in underneath here. And so we have this charging indicator light. You can see it's flashing, means it's still charging on the third out of 4 LEDs. So it's somewhere in between of 50 and 75% charge. When we are using it, we can also see this charge indicator. That's very helpful to see how much battery juice we have left. And there's even a red LED built in to show when the battery is very low. And so here we have it in the off position, so we can slide this up here, can see the green light, and so it's in the low position. That's absolutely awesome, something I've never seen before. So this could work also as a nice fan, maybe on the desk, or just give a little bit of a nice breeze to cool you down. And it's so quiet, so I hold this a little bit closer here and stop talking. There's almost nothing to hear. It's absolutely amazing. Of course the air is then also limited, but you can still feel that. And then we have the medium position, one more. We can definitely hear that, but we can also feel that more really nice breeze, but still very, very quiet. And then we have the highest position, which you can hear more, but it's still not loud. That's one of the most quiet dusters, definitely. There's no doubt about that. But of course also the output is not too crazy. Like that, we can use it easily as a duster, that's perfect, but we cannot use it as a leaf blower or something like that. Also inflating stuff could be a little bit difficult. I don't see that happening, but as a duster or to cool you down, that's absolutely amazing. And especially what I love here is how quiet this thing is running, especially on the low or medium settings. This is definitely an awesome thing. And now the test, of course, which you have been waiting for. I put it on the highest setting and test it with this anemometer. Try a little bit around to get the maximum speed. Yeah, that's somewhere in this area, pretty close. So let's see what we get. We have a 19.6 miles per hour. Definitely not a world record, but it can still help to cool you down or to use it as a decent duster at home. Maybe if you live in an area where it's super hot, you don't have an AC or so, this could be an awesome gift for somebody to have something to cool you down the whole time. Fits easily even into a small pocket. Yeah, absolutely amazing. So if you love it, stylish, small, very convenient, then maybe that's the thing for you. Or again, as a really nice gift for somebody, as a big surprise what such a small thing can do. And it's definitely a beauty. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link where you can buy it down into the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this blower duster, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.